And the Fijians charging upfield. Here they come towards halfway.
When Fiji toured Australia in 1976, there were high hopes their enterprising style of rugby would attract large crowds and much-needed cash for the ARU.
And Trinity into the corner. That'll be a great try. The ball's a great try.
But with the series already won by the Wallabies, a crowd of less than 8,000 turned up for the third test to witness one of the most contentious games in rugby history.
It's the same. Meadows got one for his corner. We saw that quite clearly. Something else did too. Trinity on his own, still in play. And there's a big Savao, the front rower. And 4 Australians taking Savao over the sideline. And again there's a clash of players. And this is an all-in. Well, nobody's on the field of play. And a penalty again. And looks like someone might get sent off the field here. Savao, I think, has been sent off the field. And he's calling the captain over.
He sent him off and he wouldn't leave the field, but he finally, told him that he'd been sent off and he had to leave the field.
Number 3's come back on the field.
There was about 3 or 4 captains on the day because everybody was talking because they were all heated up.
Well, the team is going off the field. The Fijians are walking off the field. Now that's absolutely sensational.